So now I will show you how to reorder product variants, basically make them appear in different order for your products. So at first I'm doing the export of the products and inventory variants without any images or meta fields. Make sure that you are exporting only the products and the variants, because otherwise your images or meta fields, they will get in a way and it will not be so easy to reorder them. Okay, so the export is finished. I'm downloading the exported file. And so you see now here in the exported file, we have one column, one row per product. So for example, if the product has 3 variants, it has the same ID and same handle for 3 rows. And here if you scroll to the variant columns, here those darker green ones, you see the variant, there is a column variant position and it says 1, 2, 3. Yeah, for a simplicity of this example, let me just delete all the other rows. Okay, now let's keep those 2 products, Boeing 767 and Airbus A300. So they have 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, and we can now change it like 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, and here we will swap them, and that's it. That's the only thing you need to change. And so basically we could import this file now and it would update it, but what it would do, it would update also all the other fields. But we can do a smarter thing than that. We could update only this field so that we don't update any other fields in Shopify. We just update this one. And to do that, we just need to select the ID, the handle, variant ID, so that we identify product. Then the handle is like a secondary identifier, and also it will allow you to understand which product we are talking about when you are looking in the results file. So we take the variant ID so that we identify the variant, and we take the variant position because we want to update it. And we copy all those columns and just create a new blank file and paste them here. Call the sheet products so that the app knows that it's product data here. And save this file as update positions. And now, first of all, let's open this Boeing in the other tab in Shopify, so that we see how it changes the variant order. You see now it has this order of variants. Now in the other tab we are importing this update positions file. We found 2 products and we just press import and allow it to happen. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Waiting. Okay, it's done. It shows updated 2 products. And if we would now download the import results file, we should see that its import result says okay, and it says update found by ID, preloaded. It's this ID, and then it's doing a merge on variants, and it says that variants updated by variant ID. So it says that it found the variant ID and updated this variant. And now if we go to the product, notice this difference. And now, like, first is airborne, then military, then strategic. And now when we refresh the page, you see it's military, strategic, airborne, just as we have here. First should be, we don't see which one, but yeah, basically they have rearranged according to the position which you have set here.